Hey guys, I'm Nash and today we are making tomato and chorizo pasta. As well as it being a great family recipe, it's also brilliant for meal prep because you can store it and reheat it so you can enjoy it for your lunches for the week ahead. Now, firstly take one white onion, slice the ends off, slice in half then peel, then finely chop. Also take 2 garlic cloves, again peel, then finely chop using a sharp knife and set aside with the onion. Now take 1 washed red pepper, slice the end off and remove the core and seeds, then chop into small pieces. And finally take 50 grams of chopped chorizo sausage. Next, place a saucepan over a medium heat on the stove and heat up some olive oil. Then to the saucepan add the chopped onion and garlic, red pepper and the chopped chorizo. And now fry these ingredients for between 5 and 10 minutes whilst remaining over a medium heat on the stove. And then to the saucepan add 1 tin of plum tomatoes, followed by 1 tablespoon of dried oregano, half a teaspoon of chilli powder and 1 tablespoon of tomato puree. Then crumble in 1 vegetable stock cube. Mix these ingredients together, then top the contents of the pan up with some boiling water so your sauce doesn't reduce down too much. Then leave your pasta sauce to simmer over a low heat for 15 minutes. And meanwhile prepare some penne pasta to serve with the sauce by bringing a saucepan of water up to boiling point, then cooking the pasta according to the instructions on the packet. Now when your pasta's finished cooking and your sauce has thickened up nicely, simply drain the pasta from its water, then remove the sauce from the heat. Serve your tomato and chorizo pasta up, starting with a layer of pasta, then some of that delicious tomato sauce. Then simply garnish with some freshly chopped basil, and there you have it. That's how to make this delicious chorizo and tomato pasta, which is the perfect family meal and also brilliant for meal prep.